It's time for a reality check. Life isn't a walk in the park, and success doesn't come wrapped in a neat, cozy package. If you're here today, it's because you're ready to hear the raw truth about stepping out of your comfort zone. Brace yourselves. This won't be a sugar-coated pep talk. The comfort zone, we all have one. It's that familiar place where you feel secure and unchallenged. But guess what? That comfort zone is also the breeding ground for mediocrity. It's where your dreams go to die, buried under the weight of excuses, procrastination, and fear. We're talking about embracing the uncomfortable, and that's the only way you're going to achieve something extraordinary in this lifetime. There are no shortcuts, no easy paths to success. Anything truly worth having is going to make you sweat. It's going to test your limits, and it's going to demand sacrifices. The world doesn't owe you success. You have to earn it. You have to work for it like your life depends on it, because in many ways, it does. So, let me be crystal clear. If you're not willing to put in the work, then don't kid yourself into thinking that success will just fall into your lap. The path beyond your comfort zone is a rugged one. It's filled with rejection, criticism, and moments of self-doubt that will make you question everything you're made of. But guess what? It's in those very moments that you'll find out what you're truly made of. It's when you're pushed to your limits that your real potential begins to surface. Every success story you admire, every hero you look up to, they didn't get there by being comfortable. They got there by pushing themselves, by facing failure and defeat, and by refusing to back down. They got there through sheer grit, relentless effort, and an unyielding commitment to their dreams. So, here's the deal. If you want to reach those lofty goals, you're going to have to set them high, higher than you've ever dared before. And then, you're going to have to bust your butt working toward them. There's no room for excuses, no room for procrastination, no room for self-pity. Success demands action, sweat, and resilience. It demands the grit to keep pushing when you feel like giving up. It demands that you stomp on your comfort zone and leave it in the dust. Here's a harsh truth. If you're not willing to step out of your comfort zone and do whatever it takes to achieve your dreams, you're choosing a life of mediocrity.